Wait, you can make dinner with only 3 ingredients? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. Today I am sharing some dinners that are only taking 3 ingredients. They are delicious, super quick to put together, and because it takes just a small amount of ingredients, they're budget friendly. This first one is a little nod to a sloppy joe. It's not a sloppy joe because I'm using chicken. The 3 ingredients to make up this meal is chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast. Cheddar cheese. I am using fat-free cheddar. And manwich. You can do like 4 or however many you want of chicken breasts in your pan, but I have sprayed my pan, and the instructions do not tell you to do this, but I put a little bit of the manwich sauce on the bottom of the pan and then placed my chicken on there. I also went a little step further and put some salt and pepper on it as well. Now I'm going to put the rest of the manwich sauce over the top of each of the chicken breasts. I'm going to top each chicken with the cheddar cheese. I have my oven preheated to 350. This is going to bake up for about 25 to 35 minutes. All right, this is fresh out of the oven, and let me tell you, this smells really, really super good. I'm excited about this one. This one, when I found it, piqued my interest because I love sloppy joes. Never ever have I made it with chicken before, but it was really good because I mean, it was sloppy joe sauce flavoring the chicken. You can't beat it. Give it a try. I think you're gonna like it too. We love meatloaf, and there are lots of different ways out there to make a good meatloaf. Well, this one only takes 3 simple ingredients, and I bet you have these in your pantry. The 3 ingredients for this meal is 2 pounds of lean ground beef, half a cup of milk, and some stovetop stuffing, any flavor that you like. So I have 2 pounds of ground beef in my bowl. I'm adding the full packet of stovetop stuffing with the seasonings and the half a cup of milk. I'm gonna mix this up really well. I've sprayed a 9x13 pan. I am putting the meatloaf in this pan, and I am going to do my best at forming it like a loaf. Wish me luck. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I have my oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to put this in there for about 50 to 60 minutes. All right, so this one is Justin's because he doesn't like anything but the regular style of meatloaf. So this one is ours. It looks fantastic. It smells really super good. So we're really looking forward to this meal. My husband absolutely, hands down, loves stovetop stuffing. So when I found this meatloaf and it had stovetop stuffing with the seasonings right into the hamburger, I was like, that is right up his alley. I'm gonna give this one a try. It was really good. We enjoyed it, but it was different. But Jason took meatloaf for lunch, and he had meatloaf sandwiches, which he loves, and I would make this again. It's just different. I am going to make an easy chicken parmesan sandwich. It's done in the slow cooker. For this recipe, all you need is some chicken, a jar of marinara sauce, and provolone cheese. I've sprayed the insert of my crock pot with non-stick cooking spray. I have 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm gonna pour the marinara sauce over the chicken. I'm gonna set this on low and let it cook for the day. I have about an hour left on my chicken, so I'm gonna let it cook up in the sauce. But I went ahead and just shredded it up really quickly. And as soon as we're ready to get it plated, I'll show you what we do with that provolone cheese and how I bring this meal together. I have the shredded chicken on a bun. We end up doing bakery buns tonight. I have a slice of provolone cheese. I'm gonna put that on it, and that is it. That is chicken parmesan on a bun. Can't get easier than that. These sandwiches were very, very good. It had leftovers because it made quite a bit. We reheated the leftovers for lunches throughout the week. It heated up really well. I like the Parmesan cheese that melted over the chicken. Add a little bit of fries on the side and you got a complete meal. I am a pasta girl. Today I'm making this with tortellini. Tonight's dinner is cream cheese pesto pasta, and the 3 ingredients that will make up this delicious meal is going to be some cream cheese, pesto, and tortellini pasta. I have my water heating up on the stove. and it's getting ready to put that pasta in just a minute. Cooper got a new toy. This is what you hear in the background. He is squeaking. It's a monkey on a little palm tree. Do you love it? Yes? I'm sure you can use frozen tortellini too, but I am just using the dry. And it is 3 cheese tortellini. Found it at Walmart. I think this kind is actually, it tastes fresher than the frozen, so that's why I tend to go toward this one. I'm gonna let this cook for about 8 minutes. It says 10, but mine are usually done before that, so I'm gonna go 8 minutes and check them. I've drained the pasta, and I forgot to say about a half a cup of pasta water. So I'll just use regular water, it'll be fine. Now I'm putting in 6 tablespoons of the cream cheese. To make it a little creamy, you're supposed to take the pasta water, but I just have warm water. And you just add a little bit in here to make the cream cheese creamy. I'm just gonna go a little bit at a time. And I wanna stir this down into this warm pasta and get this melting really super good so it blends up nicely. I am now gonna take the pesto. I'm gonna add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of pesto. Mix this in really well. I'm gonna probably do 4. We love pesto. And that's all there is to this dish. You can't get easier than this, right? You can serve up salad on the side, some bread, and it's perfect for a meatless Monday. This pasta was really good. I was a little leery because of the cream cheese, but the pesto bumped it up perfectly. You can also add a little bit of Parmesan to it if you wanted to. It was a meatless dish and we did not miss the meat at all. As always, all of the recipes are linked below. Looking for more dinner ideas? Here you go. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.